contingent number 1, Lahog Night High School. Thank you so much once again, Lahog Night High School. And moving on to our contingent number 2. They're from North District 2. And they're headed by Dr. Severina Chin, together with their choreographer, Walter B. Ditito. Once again, our contingent number 2 is from North District 2, the Abellana National School. And they are headed by the principal, Dr. Severina Chin, and of course their choreographer, Walter B. Ditito. There you go. And by the way, everyone, I would like to invite you on January 14, that would be this coming Wednesday, around 6:30 in the evening, there will be a cultural show in Fuente Osmeña. At 7 p.m., the most anticipated part, Miss Cebu 2015 Coronation Night happening in Waterfront Hotel. And around 8 p.m., we will have Sinulog Idol in Fuente Osmeña, followed by a concert at the park at 9 p.m. And by the way, we are reminding all the elemental participants, the dancers, and the choreographers to please proceed now to your designated area for the grand finale. That will be the same order. Ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 2, Abellana National School. contingent number 2, Abiliana National School. Thank you so much, our student from Abiliana National School. We would like to inform everyone that we have 6 more contingents to go. And our next contingent is contingent number 3 from North District 7. Headed by the principal, Miss Carmelita Bala, with the Public Schools District Supervisor, Mrs. Leonesila S. Lindio. And together with the choreographers, Vinancio Esparaguera and George Villamor. Again, we're inviting everyone for the Sinulog 2015 Idol Grand Finals happening on Thursday, January 15, and also the Sinulog Festival Queen Runway Competition and Photo Shoot happening on the same day, January 15. By the way, among giawag ang katong mga participants sa elementary nga muadto na sa ilang mga designated area para sa Grand Finals. Grand Finale. Moni siya ang order. Careta Elementary School, Cebu City Central School, Bulacau Elementary School, Zapatera Elementary School, Don Vicente Rama Memorial Elementary School, Mabolo Elementary School, and Labangon Elementary School. Ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 3, Apas National High School. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Apas National High School. Headed by their principal, Miss Carmelita C. Bala, and the choreographer, Vinancio Esparraguera. And by the way, we still have 5 contingents to go. And I know you're ready for this. Amo ang remind ang Carreta Elementary School nga mosunod na sa Barrio Luz National High School. Once again, among giawag ang mga participant sa Carreta Elementary School together sa ilang choreographer nga mosunod na sa Barrio Luz National High School. Ug mosunod po tanang elementary after sa Carreta Elementary School. Moving on to our contingent number 4. Headed by their principal, Mrs. Evelyn Pilago, and their choreographer, Angelo Malapsal. Together with the principal for the night department, Mrs. Cindy Perigo, and District Cultural Coordinator High School, Mrs. Hazel L. Barro. And of course, the school cultural coordinator, Mr. Lorenzo Laputan. Sponsored by Cyclone Lubricants and St. Cecilia's College. And once again, we would like to extend our gratitude to our sponsors, namely Coca-Cola, San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, OXL, Pepsi, Sky Cable, Globe, CCTN, Channel 47, 24/7, SM City, Cebu, Virginia, Department of Tourism, Cebu Park Lake International Hotel, Zesto, PLDT, Tambuli, Cognizant, and Koji-san. Ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 4, Don Sergio Osmeña Sr. Memorial National High School. so much, Don Sergio Osmeña Sr. Memorial National High School. Their principal, Mrs. Evelyn Pilado, and their choreographer, Angelo Malapsal. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, all scores are tabulated and audited by Hilton Montesilio and Company. And our contingent, number 5, is from South District A. Headed by their Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Liberato Lauronilia, with the Barangay Captain Abraham Desamparado, and of course, their choreographer, Mr. Igmedio Avindanio. Oh, there you go. And the principal, Mrs. Benedicta B. Arcilia, and the contingent head, Mrs. Maria Elena B. Labrada. With their major sponsor, Intermed and Charifer. With their minor sponsor, SM City Cebu and Nature's Spring. Now, if you are wondering what's going to happen next Sunday, I will just tell you all the official programs here. We have around 4 a.m. Maninita Mass at Basilica del Santo Niño, followed by Pontifical Mass with His Eminence, Jose Espalma. And followed by the Holy Mass at Cebu City Sports Center at around 9 a.m. The grand finale and grand fireworks and Cebu City Sports Center happening around 7 p.m. That will be on Sunday. And around 8 p.m. we will have a street party events at Fuente Osmeña around 9 p.m. I know you're excited about this. The Pyro Spectacular Show happening at SM City Cebu. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 5, Don Carlos Gotong Memorial National High School. Thank you so much, Don Carlos A. Gotong Memorial National High School, with their principal, Mrs. Benedicta Arcilia, and with their choreographer, Ignidio Avendaño. Thank you once again, Don Carlos A. Gotong Memorial National High School. Now we are reminding the elementary that for the finale, okay, we are reminding the elementary that you will dance on stage for our grand finale, and for the high school, you'll be on the rubber track. Moving on to our contingent number 6. They're from North District 8. They're headed by the principal, Dr. Maria Jessica Emabayan, and the choreographer, Emerito Custodio. Let me just continue on what's happening on Sunday around 7 p.m. You will witness the grand finale and the grand fireworks and Cebu City Sports Center, followed by the street party bands at Fuente Osmeña around 8 p.m. And from around 9 p.m. there will be a pyro musical show at SMCT Cebu on Sunday, January 18th. And the party will never stop because around 12 midnight there will be a Sinulog fireworks at the South Road Properties on Sunday. So once again, among giawang ang mga elementary participants nga moadto na sa ilang designated area para sa grand finale. That also includes the high school. And ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 6, Talamban National High School. Thank you so much, Talamban National High School. They're headed by the principal, Dr. Maria Jessica M. Abayon, and with the choreographer, Emerito Costudio. Moving on to our contingent number 7. Headed by the principal, Mr. Jerry Canoy, and the choreographer, Edgar Abay. Okay, and we would just like to remind all the choreographers that you will have a meeting in the belly dancing room right after the awarding ceremony. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, we still have 2 contingents to go. And they are second from the last. Ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 7, Pasig National High School. have it. Thank you so much, Pastel National High School. Headed by the principal, Mr. J. Ricardo, and choreographer, Edgar Abay. Once again, thank you so much, Pastel National High School. Moving on to our last, but definitely not the least. They are from North District 7. Headed by the Public Schools District Supervisor, Mrs. Unicila Eslilio, with the Principal, Mrs. Zenaida El Bocotano, Administrative Assistant, Mrs. Maria Evelyn T. Quahao, with the choreographers, Mr. Barbie Banagua, Mr. Julius Samson, Mr. Lalang Esbra, and with their artists, Mr. Roy Ginares, Mr. Ariel Barikit, Mr. Oscar Lisondra. With the working committee, all teachers of Barrio Luz National High School, Day and Night Department. With the barangay officials headed by Honorable Jerome Pagador, the barangay captain, and of course the PTA president, Mr. Antonio Miranda. We would also like to acknowledge the principal of Barrio Luz Elementary School, Mrs. Helen Estoconing, assistant principal, Mrs. Marion Aliso, with the principal at Sumot Integrated School, Mr. Nathaniel Flores, and with their sponsor, Edward Haiko. And of course, we also like to acknowledge the presence of our school's division superintendent, Dr. Rhea Mar A. Angtod. Ladies and gentlemen, our last but definitely not the least, Barrio Luz National High School. Thank you so much, Barrio Los National High School, with the principal, Mrs. Zenaida El Gocotano, and the choreographer, Julius Samson. So we'd just like to remind that the elementary will be dancing on the stage while the high school will be on the rubber track. And of course, we would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our sponsors, namely Coca-Cola, San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, OLX, Pepsi, Sky Cable, Globe, CCTN Channel 47, 24/7, SM City Cebu, Virginia, Department of Tourism, Cebu Park Lane International Hotel, Zesto, PLDT, Tambuli, Cognizant, Kojisan, Manulife, Nature Spring, Top Properties, Mang Juan, Jollibee, Mandawi Foam, Brew Life UK, Teleperformance, Rose Pharmacy, Mandan Bay. We also have Manila Bulletin, Jaka Distribution Incorporated, Visayan Electric Company, IPI, Philippine Daily Inquirer, Uratex, Gildan T-shirts, Jayco Donuts, Auto Solutions Philippines Incorporated, Worldwide Central Properties Incorporated, Gardenia Philippines Incorporated, The Freeman, Novelino Wines, Cebu Daily News, Cocorio Cosmetics, www.staffandleasing.com, Alcordo International, Kulas Shirts, Crystallite Distribution Group Incorporated, and Right Med Philippines Incorporated. And we would just like to inform everyone that all scores are tabulated and audited by Hilton Montecillo and Company. The mayor would also like to thank for the support of our supervisors from the different districts in Cebu City. By the way, we would like to inform all the choreographers that you will have a meeting in the belly dancing room right after the awarding ceremony. Sinulog is now celebrated around the world. And as we celebrate the 35th year anniversary of the Sinulog Festival, please welcome back the Cebu's Pride, the participants of the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan elementary and secondary level. And for the first time, we will have the grand finale in the Tune In Celebrate Sinulog.
Dance the beat, Sinulog. Feel the heat, Sinulog. Celebrate, Sinulog. Santo Niño, Sinulog. Dance the beat, Sinulog. Feel the heat, Sinulog. Celebrate, Sinulog. Santo Niño, Sinulog. Dance the beat, Sinulog. Feel the heat, Sinulog. Celebrate, Sinulog. Santo Niño, Sinulog. Dance the beat, Sinulog. Feel the heat, Sinulog. Kitang tanan magkasinyo Sinulog Siyagit ug kusog Walang magsaulog
Time for you to get a move on. Sinulog time is here, you gotta groove on. Stomp your feet, feel the heat, hit the sweet. Get ready, get the rhythm. Santo Niño is the one, let us shout as one. Let us honor the child of the mighty one. Put your hands together and shout for more. When you dance together, everybody fit Señor. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Let us adore the miraculous Santo Niño. Shout praises to the beloved Holy Child. Just let the rhythm of the music keep you dancing all day long. Everybody all around the world, now it's time for the Sinulog. Come and join us, praise the Holy Child. Celebrate Sinulog. Everybody all around the world, gather round for the Sinulog. Shout your praises to the Holy Child. Celebrate Sinulog. See the people dancing in their costumes in honor of Santo Niño de Cebu. Just let the rhythm of the music keep you dancing all day long. Celebrate Sinulog, Santo Niño Sinulog. Dance the beat, Sinulog. Feel the heat, Sinulog. Celebrate Sinulog, Santo Niño Sinulog. Dance the beat, Sinulog. Feel the heat, Sinulog. Celebrate Sinulog. Viva Pichiñor!
magool. Buot ang mga tao ang magbuol. Busa, asa pa ka, Cebu na ta. O higala, manuloy ta. Di sagasa, dali na, dali na.
Bahal di ka nindughan ko. I love Cebu. Isigit ko ni kalimutan. I love Cebu. Bahal di ka nindughan ko. I love Cebu. Isigit ko ni kalimutan. Ang nailang na ikaw ay pasigalbo ko. I love Cebu. I love Cebu.
Celebrate Sinulog, Santo Niño Sinulog.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our participants for the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2015. And now, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Who will be this year's winners for the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2015? Are you ready? Are you excited? Same here. Okay. Now, please welcome back to award the winners. I would like to call the Honorable Mayor Michael Rama, together with Vice Mayor of Cebu City, Honorable Eduardo Labella, and the Cebu City Schools Division Superintendent,
To get a move on.
Dr. Rhea Mar A. Angtod,
Feel the heat, head is sweet. Get ready, get the rhythm.
and Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Danilo G. Godilusa, and of course, the Division Coordinator for Culture and Arts, Mr. Renizar T. Ferolino. And we also have a special guest, the Sinulog Execom Chairman, Attorney Joy Pesquera. And to announce the winner for this year's Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2015, please help me welcome the Executive Director of the Sinulog Foundation Incorporated, Mr. Ricky Ballesteros.
Celebrate Sinulog, Santo
Maayong
Niño
hapon, Cebu!
Dance to beat Sinulog,
Are you ready for this year's grand prize winner?
Santo Niño Sinulog.
But before I'm going to announce the winners, can we give a round of applause to all the performers? And of course, our board of judges, and I would like to request Ms. Annie Sartorio to please join me here in announcing the winners. The first set of awards that I'm going to announce are the winners in Sayaw, Cebu, held last Friday during the launching ceremonies. And we have 4 special awards for Sayaw, Cebu. I'm going to start with the best in choreography, and they will receive 30,000 pesos. Best in choreography in Sayaw, Cebu, which was held in January 9, 2015 during the launching ceremonies, goes to Zapatera National School. The next award goes to Most Disciplined Delegation during the Sayaw Cebu, and they will receive 30,000 pesos. And the award goes to Don Vicente Rama Memorial Elementary School.
Daw paraiso ang kaanindot mo. Ang mga tao wag
Representative of Don Vicente Rama.
Do
we have representative? Any teachers or dancer? Congratulations to to the most disciplined delegation. Now let's go to the most colorful delegation. And this is during the Sayaw Cebu. And they will receive 30,000 pesos. Most colorful delegation goes to Zapatera National School. And another award for the liveliest delegation. The liveliest delegation will also receive 30,000 pesos. And this goes to the Polo National High School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang lang na ikaw ipasigaw.
Representative of Mapolo National School.
I love Cebu. Bisag asa ko paingon way bukas ang kalipay ko. Bisag asa ko paingon ni panghambog.
And the last award for Sayaw Cebu
Bisag asa
goes to the biggest delegation. And the biggest delegation will receive 30,000 pesos. And the award goes to Abiliana National School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang lang na ikaw ipasigal ko. I love Cebu.
And now, let's proceed to Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan Elementary Division winners. Starting with the special awards. And the first award goes to the best in musicality, and they will receive 50,000 pesos. And best in musicality elementary division goes to Mabolo Elementary School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang lang na ikaw ipasigal ko. I love Cebu.
The next award goes to the Best in Costume. Best in Costume Elementary Division will receive 50,000 pesos. And the Best in Costume goes to Don Vicente Rama Memorial Elementary School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang lang na
Now let's proceed to the Best in Street Dancing. And we have 3 winners in this category. Starting with the third place. Third place will receive 20,000 pesos. And the Best in Street Dancing third place elementary division goes to Bulacau Community School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang lang na ikaw ipasigal ko. I love Cebu.
in Street Dancing Elementary Division will receive 30,000 pesos. And the second place, Best in Street Dancing Elementary Division goes to Labangon Elementary School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang nailang na ikaw ipasigal ko. I love Cebu.
And the Best in Street Dancing Elementary Division will receive 50,000 pesos. And the Best in Street Dancing goes to Mabolo Elementary School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan.
And now let's proceed to the Best in Ritual Showdown. The major prizes, starting with the fifth place. We have 5 winners in this category, and I'm going to announce first the fifth place. To receive 50,000 pesos, fifth place, Best in Ritual Showdown Elementary Division goes to Carreta Elementary School.
Daw paraiso ang kaanindot mo. Ang mga tao
To receive 75,000 pesos is the fourth place winner. And the fourth place winner, Best in Ritual Showdown, goes to Labangon Elementary School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang nailang na ikaw
Here are this year's top 3 winners. Third place will receive 100,000 pesos. And third place, Best in Ritual Showdown Elementary Division goes to Cebu City Central School.
I love Cebu. Bahagi ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang nailang na ikaw ipasigal ko. I love Cebu.
The second place, Best in Ritual Showdown, will receive 150,000 pesos. And the second prize, Best in Ritual Showdown Elementary Division, goes to Mbabolo Elementary School.
Daw paraiso ang kaanindot mo. Ang mga tao wag kay kareklamo. Bisag asa ko paingon way puwas ang pagdaig ko.
Okay, Cebu, are you ready for this year's grand prize winner? Sinulog sa kabataan sa Dakbayan,
I love Cebu.
and they will receive 300,000 pesos. The grand prize winner goes to... Kano sa ninyo gusto mahibawan? Karon or ugma? Karon na? Sige. The grand prize winner goes to... Karon yun inyong gusto? Sige. First prize will receive 300,000 pesos. Goes to Don Vicente Rama Memorial Elementary School.
I love Cebu, bahang di kaning dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isigit ko ning kalibutan. Ang ngailang na ikaw ipasigar buko. I love Cebu.
Congratulations, Don Vicente Rama Memorial Elementary School. Now let's proceed to the secondary division. We'd like to request the participants in secondary to please stand up. Stand up. Okay, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, good. I'm going to announce first the special award, the Best in Musicality, Sinulog sa Kabataan Secondary Division. Best in Musicality will receive 50,000 pesos. And the Best in Musicality goes to Don Sergio Osmeña Senior Memorial National High School.
I love Cebu, bahang di kaning dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isigit ko ning kalibutan. Ang ngailang na ikaw ipasigar buko. I love Cebu.
The Best in Costume Secondary Division, Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan, will receive another 50,000 pesos. And the Best in Costume, nakita nato diri, puros gwapo kayong costume. The Best in Costume goes to... Kisa'y tanaw ninyo, Best in Costume. Apas National High School!
I love Cebu, bahang di kaning dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isigit ko ning kalibutan. Ang ngailang na ikaw ipasigar buko. I love Cebu.
And let's proceed to the Best in Ritual Showdown. In the Best in Ritual Showdown, we have 3 winners. And I'm going to announce first the third place. Third place will receive 20,000 pesos. The Best in Street Dancing Secondary Division goes to Talamban National High School.
I love Cebu, bahang di kaning dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isigit ko ning kalibutan. Ang ngailang na
The second prize, Best in Street Dancing Secondary Division, will receive 30,000 pesos. And second prize, Best in Street Dancing Secondary, goes to Apas National High School.
I love Cebu, bahang di kaning dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isigit ko ning kalibutan. Ang ngailang na ikaw ipasigar buko. I love Cebu.
place, Best in Street Dancing, to receive 50,000 pesos. First prize, Best in Street Dancing. Sharo din mo daw nga contingent nga naaman sila sitom ganiha. So makasayaw sila tarong ganay sitom. Best in Street Dancing goes to Don Sergio Osmeña Senior Memorial National High School.
I love Cebu, bahagi ka ng dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isingit ko ng kalibutan. Ang nailang na ikaw.
We shall now proceed to the major awards. And we have 5 winners in this category. Best in Ritual Showdown, Secondary Division. Starting with the 5th place. The 5th placer will receive 50,000 pesos. And the 5th place, Best in Ritual Showdown, Sinulog sa Kabataan, Secondary Division, goes to Pasil Night High School.
I love Cebu, bahagi ka ng dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isingit ko ng kalibutan. Ang nailang na ikaw ipasigal ko. I love Cebu.
To receive 75,000 pesos are the 4th placer for the Best in Ritual Showdown. And 4th place, Best in Ritual Showdown, Secondary Division, goes to Talamban National High School.
Daw paraiso ang kaanindot mo. Ang mga tao wag kay kareklamo. Bisag asa ko paingon way tuwas ang pagdayo.
Here are this year's top 3 winners. And I'm going to announce the 3rd place to receive 100,000 pesos. Best in Ritual Showdown, Sinulog sa Kabataan, sa Dakbayan, goes to 3rd placer goes to Abiliana National School.
I love Cebu, bahagi ka ng dunghan ko. I love Cebu, isingit ko ng kalibutan.
Congratulations, Abiliana National School. Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up or the 2nd place, Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan, Best in Ritual Showdown, will receive 150,000 pesos. And the 2nd place goes to Second place goes to Don Sergio Osmeña Senior Memorial National High School.
Daw paraiso ang kaanindot mo. Ang mga tao wag kay kareklamo. Bisag asa ko paingon way puwas ang pagdayo ko.
Performance Award, Monseng Assistant Sitom Chief. Okay, here is this year's grand prize winner. Are you ready, Cebu? Okay, in behalf of Sinulog Foundation and the City of Cebu, see you in the Grand Parade. Thank you very much. Awa pa di ay mapay grand prize. Okay, I'm going to announce the grand prize winner and they will receive 300,000 pesos. And the grand prize, Sinulog sa Kabataan, Dakbayan Secondary Division goes to... Kisa'y tanaw ninyo?
I love Cebu.
Grand prize! Congratulations! Asa man napita? Naadiri or dito speakers? Kisa'y nagsulti? Naadiri napita? Kisa'y nagsulti nga na dito dapit? So the grand prize goes to Apas National High School. Congratulations.
I love Cebu. Bahan di ka ning dunghan ko. I love Cebu. Isingit ko ning kalibutan. Ang nailang na ikaw ipasigal ko. I love Cebu.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ricky Ballesteros. And congratulations to our winners for the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2015. And now, we will have a repeat performance of our winners in the elementary and high school division. Among gihangyo ang mga participants nga naa sa stage o sa rubber track nga atong hawanan para makasayaw o balik ang atong mga winners.
Daw paraiso ang kaanindot mo. Ang mga tao wag kay ikareklamo. Bisag
By the way, we're calling all the choreographers that you will have a meeting inside the belly dancing room right after the repeat performance of our winners for this year's Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan.
Cebu. Bahan di ka ning
O gamong giawang ang mga participants nga hawanan ang stage para makasayaw og balik ang atong winner sa elementary o sa high school level. There you go. So, while they are still preparing for the repeat performance, I would just like once again to extend our sincere gratitude to our sponsors, namely Coca-Cola, San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, OLX, Pepsi, Sky Cable, Globe, CCTN Channel 47, 24/7, SM City Cebu, Virginia, Department of Tourism, Cebu Park Lane International Hotel, Zesto, BLDT, Tambuli, Cognizant, Kojisan, Manulife, Nature Spring, TAP Properties, Mang Juan, Jollibee, Mandawi Foam, ProLife UK, Teleperformance, Rose Pharmacy, Mandan Bay, Manila Bulletin, Jaka Distribution Incorporated, Visayan Electric Company, IPI, Philippine Daily Inquirer, Eurotex, Gildan T-Shirts, Jayco Donuts, Auto Solutions Philippines Incorporated, Worldwide Central Properties Incorporated, Gardenia Philippines Incorporated, The Freeman, Novelino Wines, Cebu Daily News, Kokoryo Cosmetics, www.staffingandleasing.com, Alcordo International, Kulas Shirts, Crystalite Distribution Group Incorporated, and Right Med Philippines Incorporated. And also we would like to congratulate the principal of our winner, Miss Elsie Colo and Rolly Loyola as the choreographer. And by the way, if you have the time, you can always have, or you can check the cultural show at 6:30 p.m. this coming Tuesday. That will be followed by Sinulog Idol at Fuente Osmeña. And around 9 p.m. there will be a concert at the same venue. And there will be a street party bands. Wow, that will be exciting. And the following day, Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. you will have another cultural show at the Fuente Osmeña. Around 7 p.m. the most anticipated Miss Cebu 2015 Coronation Night happening in Waterfront Hotel Casino. And around 8 p.m. there will be a Sinulog Idol at Fuente Osmeña. And around 9 p.m. another concert at the park. And come this Thursday, January 15, there will be a Sinulog 2015 Idol Grand Finals and a Sinulog Festival Queen Runway Competition and Photo Shoot. And around 6:30, there will be another cultural show. Sinulog Idol will follow and a concert. And the following day, that will be Friday, there will be a visual merchandising contest, department stores and malls around the city. And around 4 p.m., there will be a Sinulog Dance Crew Finals, Sinulog Festival Queen 2015 Coronation Night right here in the Cebu City Sports Center. And of course, this coming Saturday, January 17, 6 a.m., there will be a fluvial procession of the miraculous image of the Santo Niño, and around 9 a.m. there will be a reenactment of the baptism of Queen Juana and Rao Mabon at Basilica del Santo Niño. And in the afternoon, around 2 p.m., solemn procession of the miraculous image of the Santo Niño, and 7 p.m. there will be a Sinulog fireworks competition at SM City, Cebu. And a street party at Fuente Osmeña and Plaza Independencia. All happening on Saturday. Once again, we're calling all the choreographers that you will have a meeting right after the repeat performance of our winners in the belly dancing room. And also would like to thank Hilton Montesillo and the company for tabulating and auditing all the scores for our participant for the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2015. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, grand winner for the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan, Don Vicente Rama, Elementary School. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Don Vicente Rama Elementary School. Thank you and congratulations. On stage, young winner at the secondary level is Lulux Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, get your feet and put your hands together for Alpas National High School. Headed by the principal, Miss Carmelita C. Bala, together with the choreographer, George Villamora and Binancio Esparraguera. Once again, Alpas National High School. And there you have it, our grand winner for this year's Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan High School Division. And by the way, everyone, if naamoy tayo, we are inviting you on January 16 at 5 p.m. There will be a rave party at SM City grounds with DJ